Every time a recession hits, people start asking the same question: where does all the money go? Prices drop, business close, people lose jobs, and the economy slows down. It feels like money just disappears, but does it really vanish or does it just move? Here's the truth: in a recession, money doesn't actually disappear, it changes direction. It leaves some pockets and enters others. And if you don't understand how that works, it can feel like everything is falling apart. Let's break it down simply. During a good economy, people are confident. They spend money, take trips, go shopping, buy homes, and invest. This keeps money flowing through the system. Businesses grow, people get hired, and wealth increases. But in the recession, confidence disappears. Fear takes over. When fear spreads, people stop spending. They hold on their cash. Business loss income. Some have to cut costs, lay off workers, or even shut down. When that happens, the people who lost their jobs also stop spending. It becomes a chain reaction. Less spending means less income for others, and the cycle keeps repeating. So, where does the money go? One place it hides is in a banks. People save more and spend less, so money sits in saving accounts instead of moving through the economy. Another place money moves to this save investments. When the stock market drops, rich people don't just lose money. They move it to things like gold, bonds, or real estate deals. Money shifts from risky places to safer ones. Some industries actually grow during a recession, while restaurants or travel companies may struggle. Companies that sell basic like groceries or discount stores often do well. So again, the money is not gone, it just moves from luxury to necessary. A lot of people also pull their money out of stocks when prices fall. They panic sell, which causes markets to drop even more. But here's the twist: while some lose money, others buy those same stocks at cheaper prices. So money is not destroyed, it's transferred from unprepared to the prepared. Governments also play a big role. They print money, lower interest rates, and create relief package. But this new money doesn't always go to the average person. Sometimes it ends up by large corporation, banks, or investors. So while some people are broke, others are getting richer behind the scene. A recession is like a storm. It shakes everything, but it doesn't erase wealth. It redistributes it. The people who suffer most are those with no savings, no multiple income streams, and no financial plan. The ones who study, adapt, and invest wisely often come out stronger on the other side. So the money doesn't disappear, it hides, it shifts, it waits. And if you understand where it goes, you can learn how to find it, even in the middle of financial storm.